So now let's see how we can work around with block shadow effect inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, let me just go around and bring in a shape, let's say for example, and add a color to this as well. And now in order to add in block shadow to this, all you need to do is go around onto the effects area and you can see that block shadow is an option. So once you go around onto the block shadow, you can simply go around, click and drag, and you have the block shadow right here just like this. You can pull this around and arrange out the block shadow in different directions as you like right here, just like this. You can also go around and choose out the color of the block shadow right here, just like this. So as the name suggests, it is a block, as you can see right here. You can go around over here on the top and choose the shadow right from over here as well, just like this. And apart from that, you can see that there's various settings right here that change around how the block actually looks. So you can go around over here and change around the size right here of the outer edge right here and decrease out the size right here, just like this as well. And then that is what you have. You can go around, pull out the node right here, pull this out onto the center and so forth, just like this. And this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and apply out block shadow inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.